Let's see how to pin frequently used files in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that you have a file that you always have to open and you would like to make it easier on yourself so that when you open Microsoft Word, you will see the file right there. So what you can do is pin that file into your recent files list. And to do that, simply click on the Home tab. Now, right here, you will see your recent files. And from here, to pin your file, simply click on this pin icon right here to pin this item to the list. Now let's go ahead and try that out. And that will show up on top of our files. And when you head over to pinned, you will see your pinned documents. And that is how you can pin a file in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.